Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate lead generation for fitness centers via WhatsApp. For example, you have a fitness center and you got many registration from your users at once. Responding each and every user manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To get rid of this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your user send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So before starting the video of creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate lead generation for fitness centers via WhatsApp, let me give you a quick overview of how this WhatsApp chatbot will work and how this bot will respond to your users instantly by sending a message to my WhatsApp account of fitness center. Here I am sending a message as fitness classes. See, the bot will respond to me automatically, that is choose your membership plan, including one option that is open list. When I click on it, you can see it will provide me the list of the membership plan, that is basic membership, premium membership and VIP membership. Let's say I'll select as premium membership. Then you can see the bot will ask me for my full name. So here I am sharing my full name as test user. Then you can see it will ask me to provide a contact number. So here I am sharing one test contact number. Then you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that congratulations, your premium membership is confirmed. Please make the payment via this link, while providing me one payment link. Here you can see the bot will automatically respond to the membership plan that I have selected from the list. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your fitness center, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's enable you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick overview of Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community. It is a special space where all users of Pabbly, whether beginner or experts, come together to ask questions, share ideas and help each other. If you are stuck anywhere while using Pabbly, you can post your doubt here and other users or even the Pabbly team might help you out. You will also find useful tips, updates and example for real user. So it's a great place to learn and connect with others who are using Pabbly just like you. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to our Pabbly. So here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on the sign up option to create your account and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I'll go ahead and click on the sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you can see this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. If you click on this, then you can see it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might use for scanning a QR code or WhatsApp number integration. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. If you click on this, then you can see it will ask you for the Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Now in this section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account, while in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want a detailed video of how to add WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here on the left hand side, you can see the different features of Pabbly Chatflow, where the first is the inbox, in where you can see and manage all of your WhatsApp conversation in one place. The next one is the contacts. Contacts lets you view, manage and organize your customer contact detail. The third one is the team queues. Team queues help you assign chats to different team members for better handling. The next one is the template, is where you can create and manage pre-approved WhatsApp message templates. The next one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to multiple users at once. The next one is the flow, where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. The next one is AI Assistant, in where you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. The next one is the activity log, where you can see the complete history of actions and messages that occurs within the last 7 days. The next one is the settings, in where you can customize your account preferences and configuration. And the last one is the get help, which provide access to support, tutorials and community assistant when needed. If you want a detailed explanation of these features, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am clicking on this flow option. So this is the Flow Builder page, where you can create and manage static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. Here you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. It will create it without requiring any programming skills. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of creating our WhatsApp chatbot, in where at first you have to select the trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple trigger event to start your flow. That is keyword/regex, user starts conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated, contact's birthday and tag assigned. It is coming soon. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords. So here I am selecting this. But before starting the creation of our chatbot, you have to provide the name to your bot that what you are creating. So here I am providing a name. Here I write that is automate lead generation for fitness centers via WhatsApp. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And the another one is regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. So here I am writing some keywords. The first keyword I'll write as fitness classes. After writing the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Now here I am adding two more keywords: join gym and fitness membership. Here I added only 3, you can add multiple. After that, in the next step, when my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account, then my bot will automatically get triggered and send one list message to my user. For that, I am taking one list button. Drag this box here. Here you can see this list box is divided in 3 parts, that is header, body and footer. In this case, I am not writing any header, so I am leaving this blank. Then directly I am writing the body. Here I write that is choose your membership plan. You can see I write this in asterisk symbol because with the help of this symbol, this message will go to the WhatsApp account of my users in the bold format. After that, the next one is the footer. It is also an optional, so I am leaving this blank. Then I want to add some membership plans. For that, I am clicking on this add section button. It will again provide one box inside it where you have to provide the title of the section. So here I am writing Membership type. Now I want to add the membership plans. For that, I'm clicking on this plus add item button. It will again provide one box inside it where you have to write the title of your type and the description. So here I am writing the first membership plan, basic membership, and I am not writing any description, so I am leaving this blank. As the same, I am going to add two more types. The process of adding types would be the same. Here I added, that is premium membership and VIP membership. Now I am going to connect my starting point to my list. For that I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here my flow starting point is connected to my message. Now after that, whenever my user will select this basic membership plan, then my bot will respond to them. For that I am clicking on this action option and take button as set custom field. Here it will provide us one contact custom field box. I'll drag this box here where I am going to select the contact custom field as membership type. I already created this contact custom field before. If you want a detailed video of how to create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box where you can create your contact custom field by going in the setting option and go in this contact custom field option. We use contact custom field for make a data dynamic that your user will provide you, as different users have select different plans. So for responding them dynamically, we will use the contact custom field. After that, in this enter value box, I am writing the same, that is basic membership. Here I write, then I am going to connect this circle to this message. Now for premium membership, again I am taking one set custom field button, drag this contact custom field box here, in where I am going to select the contact custom field as membership type. The custom field of all of threes would be the same, that is membership type, because at the last when we provide one message to our user related to their membership plan, then your bot will automatically capture the selected type that the individual users were select. In this also I am going to write the same, that is premium membership. Here I write, after that I am connecting this circle to this. It is connected. Now for the last one also the process would be the same. Here I added. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. Connection plays the major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. With the help of this contact custom field boxes, your bot will respond to your users dynamically. Now whenever my user will select any of these membership plan, then in the next step my bot will ask them about their full name. For that I am taking one ask a question button, drag this box here in where I am going to write my message as what's your full name for the membership. As at first we want to know the name of our clients. For that I am selecting the contact custom field as full name. After that the format I'll select as text, number of attempt I'll give as 1, and if you want to write any validation message for your users, then you can write in this box. Now I am connecting all these three circles to this message. Now when they provide their full name, then our bot will ask them to provide the contact number. For that I am again taking one ask question button, drag this question box here and writing a message as what's your contact number. For that I am selecting the contact custom field as contact number. After that the format I'll select as number. You can provide the minimum or maximum value here, and the number of attempt I'll give as 1, and I am not writing any message, so I am leaving this blank. You can also increase this number of attempt if you want to. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. And now after that when the user provide their full name and the contact number, then we will use one tag. For that I am taking one add tag button, drag this box here. Tag is help us to identify and categorize users who have completed a certain stage in our automation workflow. In this case, once a user shares their full name after providing their contact number, it indicates that they are serious and qualified leads who are interested in our fitness program. For that, I am setting the tag as fitness classes. You can also create a tag by clicking on this create tag button. Here you have to provide the name of the tag. Then if you want to allow auto tagging, then you can enable this toggle, and after that you have to click on this add tag option. Since I already created this, so I select this. After that I'm connecting this circle to this message. Now at last, after all these process, our bot will give one final message to our user. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide us one text button box where I am going to write my respond message. Here I write that is congratulations, you are with dollar symbol membership type. Here you can see I use this dollar symbol before membership type because I want to set this contact custom field dynamic that we were used here. With the help of this symbol, your message will become dynamic and your bot will respond to your users by their selected plans. I also provide one test amount link. So now our chatbot is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that automate lead generation for fitness centers. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. You can use this automated lead generation bot for fitness centers to streamline and enhance your customer engagement process. This chatbot is designed to respond instantly to user inquiries 24/7. This bot will automatically respond to your users like this. And the best part is, this bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible by using Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. So go and create your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.